family, co-workers, and you can discover new things. You can actually use it to search and find information. And that's the key part here about Delicious in respect of social networking traffic for you, because if you're getting your pages, your articles, your content posted onto Delicious and people are picking up when they're searching on your tags, then essentially you're getting traffic to your site for free. So if you become a consistent user of something like Delicious, you can be using it to drive traffic to your websites and your products and your services, and even affiliate links if you want to. As it says here, all you need is a browser and internet connection to get started. It's very easy to use. The really cool thing about Delicious as well is if you are creating content, and especially if you're creating podcast content, you can upload your MP3 or posting your MP3 files to Delicious, and then actually create an RSS feed for you, which means you could have a podcast show that people can access by searching for MP3s on Delicious, and then it can be coming across your audio content. So it's a great way that way, as an additional way of reaching out to your audience. So we've established, I believe here, that Delicious is a great tool to be using. It's very popular amongst internet users. And as you can see here, from according to Alexa research at this point of doing the video, it's ranked one in the top 513. It's number 513 rankings of websites on the entire web. So, it's a social bookmarking manager site, and it's recognized as being an authority site on many of the search engines. So it's an awesome way for you to continue building your traffic arsenal through social networking and social bookmarking sites. So let's get back to Delicious and let's look at how we can actually sign up and create an account. So I'm back at the main natural screen for Delicious here, and as I said, this is a website address. It's http://del.icio.us, and we want to log in if we have an account, but in this case we're actually going to create a new one. So let's go to register to set up a new account. And in this page here, we just create a username, put in our full name, create a password, enter the password again, our email address, and then obviously we need to have in the code in here to allow us to enter register. So we'll fill it out now. And once we've filled out the information, we just register. As you can see, step 2 is the install buttons. It says welcome, your account's been created. To use Delicious, you need to install 2 buttons into your browser. We recommend that all Firefox install this simple extension, and we can do that here. And then after installing, we can restart Firefox, and we'll automatically be taken to step 3. You can also look at as it says here, not using Firefox, view alternate instructions for Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera and others. I'm going to be using Firefox, so we're going to go ahead and install it using Firefox for this example. So hit install extension now, and you can tell it's going to install it. There we go, and it's going to ask us to restart Firefox, which we'll do. As you can see, Firefox is restarting itself up, and it's moved me automatically on to step 3. So your button's been successfully installed, and it's got My Delicious button, which is on our browser. Now we have this button on our browser now, so whenever we want to tag something, we can click that. And your save pages are always available at a certain address. And then tag this button, the tag, save your current page to Delicious. So as you browse the web, you can on a page. So this one basically allows us to access our account or our page, our main page. And this one allows us to actually tag pages. We can add descriptions, notes and tags, etc. before we save it. So let's go to our view save pages. And you can see at the moment we have nothing here, because obviously we have to start advertising. It says here a verification email has been sent. It contains a link you must click in order to verify your email address, and basically you have to do that to finish your setup. So we go into our email and we'll confirm this and then come back. As you can see here, we've now verified our email address, and it says here you're logged in and can get started. And don't forget to set up your Delicious buttons, which we've already done. And it explains here exactly what they do. So the Post to My Delicious button allows you to post your current pages to Delicious. The My Delicious button allows you to quickly view your bookmarks. And it says here, make sure the bookmark toolbar is checked under View Toolbars. Well, we've already got this, and it's set up on our site anyway, so we can actually tag sites. So we could go find one of our own articles that we feel is relevant perhaps, and set up a tag. Okay, here's a recent post I put on one of my sites about Adobe. I was a bit stressed out the fact that trying to upgrade my software was going to cost me double the price in the UK as to what it costs in the United States. So I wrote an article quickly about it, or more importantly, I made a YouTube video which people can read about and go and watch it on YouTube. So if I want to add this to Delicious to try and get some traffic and maybe start a campaign against Adobe price fixing, we can just do this by tagging.